tell my mother, I searched the internet for any results. So there, one of the most dangerous things I saw.
Kapag pindutin sa taas pag may picture ta.
One,
RTM.
it's like a
Yan.
but suddenly I got scared. Then a day after that, I went to the doctor, and the doctor gave me
Hoy, nadudutin mo.
some X-ray and test. But the doctor said it was not serious.
Ayun na yun.
So scared because my heart was full of fat. So they gave me medicine, but after that I got confused and scared. So every now and then, every day is a survival for me.
Lapit mo.
So at least now you realize it's not all of cancer, right? So that you will not be afraid.
Ito, katawan niya.
Because you don't have to worry.
Yung orasan.